Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some outgoing happy mail. This is going to Nancy and she is PaperBowLover on Instagram, and she's actually the person that sent me all like that Dollar Tree yarn because I couldn't find any in my store, and she went and she bought me some, and then she didn't even want me to pay for it. So we decided to do like a little happy mail swap, and I just wanted this mail to really say to her like thank you so much and I appreciate you. So I'm hoping that this mail is going to say that to her. So here's the card that I made for her. It just says hello friend, and I think it's really cute. I have a bow here that I made. I used some puffy stickers from the Bloom collection, a little rosette here. I used the lace and these little like scribble cutout things and some jemmies, and I think it looks really cute. And then on the inside I just wrote her like a little essay, and then I also included a sticky note to tell her that some of the things here, like the packaging, I'm reusing and I didn't make it, so I let her know who did make it. So I thought that was important because I'm not the creator of all of these things. Most of them, yes, but some of the packaging I did reuse, and I'll tell you guys that as well. So this is the card that I made for her. I'm gifting her the sequin mix. Now this is a container I'm reusing, so it had sequins in here that I used up from Tuesday morning, and then I created this sequin mix because I was doing a swap with another person and they really liked green, so I thought I would make my own sequin mix. And then Nancy actually commented that she loves the sequin mix, so I thought I would make some more, and I'm gifting a whole thing of it to her. So I did make the sequin mix, and I think it's so pretty. I don't make sequin mixes often, but I really do like how this one turned out, and I'm happy that she liked it as well because she's getting some, and it's just going to be, you know, it's all hers now, so because I'm gifting it to her. So I hope she likes that. I didn't decorate this container or anything so that, you know, she could see what sequin mix it is in here. I like that it has like this clear little window so you could clearly see what color it is and everything. I also made this book for her, and this one just says, it has the ampersand and it says love you always. There's a little shaker back here with like a tool shaker, and I used the Bloom collection to make this, and I think it's so pretty. Here we have some seam binding, and we have the foiled mirror kind of paper on the outside. And then when you untie this, I'm gifting her a whole bunch of flowers that I rolled. So I'm including that in here. And then here it just says her heart was a secret garden. And this is just like decorated with a little flag and a heart and some of these little jemmies. But yeah, she got all these flowers that I'm sending over, so I hope she likes them. In another swap, it was like a kit swap, and I decided to do a whole bunch of flowers not put together, but in this case I decided to roll them for her. So she has them, and then she could glitter them up or whatever. I didn't glitter them. I'm actually just learning how to glitter flowers, so I didn't glitter them up, but she could do that if she wants to. They're all rolled for her. Alright, so that's what's in this little booklet right here with the seam binding. Then I created this little embellishment box. Now this box itself was gifted to me from Katie Lynn Smith Swaps. We did a swap in February, and I'm just reusing the box. So I took off the decorations that she had on here and I just kind of made my own. So I made this into like a tool shaker in the back. I have these little flowers on the outside. I have this kind of like ruffle trim, and then I finally did some of that like rolled for fold paper, I guess, and mine turned into like a wave. So then I just attached the letters into a wave, and then I did stitch across this, if you guys could see that. I'll show you guys up close. So I stitched across the base, but then I also stitched across the letters, so that's why you guys kind of see like the two lines. And then I have this puffy sticker down here that says sweet smile. I think it just really turned out super cute, and I love this little sequin mix. This was gifted to me, I don't know by who. I think it was in some kind of like embellishment box swap, but I can't remember. So I used up the rest of that sequin mix here because I only had like a little bit left. Then on the inside here, it's just like some goodies in here. So here's the top I decorated. It says collect beautiful moments. It has the ampersand, little swans, and some of those jemmies, and I did like a fall kind of washi strip right there. And then these are the goodies I'm gifting her. So we have some pom-poms here. We also have these little heart jemmies here. Then we have these little candies in here. They're like candy beads and they're so cute. Here I have some little wood chips. So there's a heart, a flower, a bow, and a butterfly. Then we have some puffy hearts in gold. Here's like a mix of stuff, some charms and things. These little 2 bauble things with like star shakers in it, a couple of beads, and then this heart charm right here. So that's what's in that one. Oh my gosh, I can't get it back now. All right, then we have a couple of these little puffy stars. I've been loving using these. These little tassels over here, a couple of these Starbucks coffee cup dangles. These are little bows in here, so you have like this clear pink one, but then you also have some of these guys in different colors. So just a variety of bows in there. Then I have some wire wrapped beads that I wire wrapped for her, and then here I have some like material bows that I just have from Allie. So that's in there, and then this actually comes out, and inside of here I'm just gifting her some pink pom-pom trim. I have a lot of it, and it goes with the theme of like pink, so that's what I decided to include in that bottom section. Then I have this Polaroid shaker that I made, and I'm gifting her. I'm just gifting her one of these. I like to include like one Polaroid shaker in my Happy Meal, and I'm actually running low. I only have a couple of left from when I made the 10. So I'm running low, guys. I have to make more. But I'm gifting this to her. I don't want to open this up because there is like a glittery sequin kind of mix inside of the bag, and it's all going to come out. But you guys could check out my other video where I showed you guys how I made them, or when I showed you guys the project share of my Polaroid shakers. So this is the one I'm gifting her. Then I made her this cute little keychain, and it's just like a layered dimensional keychain. And this is a container from Jen Hadfield. There was like the wood chip wooden pieces in here, and I totally repurposed the packaging. I just used that clear part, and then I made my own like base and everything, and I attached a sticker here and some pom-poms, and I framed it with like the glitter and just decorated. So this is what I did for that, and it just has that cute little keychain, and then the background has XO on it. It's a cut apart from the Bloom collection. I almost wish I didn't package it up so that you guys could see it better, but at the same time I think it's also important that you guys see it packaged. But it is super dimensional in there, if you guys could tell. But I hope she is going to love it. Here is where I reused the packaging. So Kristen sent me this packaging with a little goodie inside of here for one of our swaps from the Loaded Envelope Galore Facebook group, and she is, I think it's Scooter Bug Corner on Instagram. I think that is her name. Yeah, Scooter Bug Corner, and her name is Kristen, and she made this little cute little package for me, so I thought I would re-gift this package. And then inside of here I just put some butterfly embellishments that I had created. So here she has a couple of these butterfly embellishments, and obviously she's gonna have to like fluff up the wings and everything, but that's what they're made for. So I hope she really likes that, and I like to reuse packaging. So that's what I did here, and then it's super cute already for me. Here is another packaging I reused, also from Kristen. She made this super cute like shaker envelope, and inside of here I just threw in my own goodies that I had made. So inside of here we have these super cute cotton candy embellishments. Then I also have a couple of pinwheels that I had made. So I'm going to gift her a couple of pinwheels. And then I have these swans that I made. Aren't they so cute? Look at these swans. I love these. All right, guys, aren't they adorable? I love them so much. They're such cute swans. All right, then I also have this little banner. Just reused some scraps and it created a banner right here. The background is a little too much with this, but it's okay. And then I have some coffee cup embellishments that I had made. So I'm gifting these to her as well. And I like this background on here. It says Thrive, Bloom, Dream. And I just thought it went with the coffee cups. It was really cute. Now we're getting to the 3D projects. So here's some packaging I'm reusing from, this is from Brittany Pochick. and she gifted this to me in her Easter swap, so I just kind of left the crinkle in there. And I'm going to show you guys because I created this memory decks card, and we created this live together, so many of you guys would have already seen this. And then this is what the memory decks card looks like. I will also have a video link down below so you guys could see how I created this and how I put it together. But it's so cute. I love how it turned out, so I really hope Nancy likes it as well. Oh my gosh, it's like one of my favorite hot air balloons that I made. Third one so far, but like my favorite. All right, so that just lives in here on that little bed of crinkle. Okay, so that's that packaging. And then the last thing I made is a cute little ice cream sundae. Look at it, guys. Isn't it so stinking cute? On the top here, I did some of that hot glue, like that dripping effect, and I glittered it, so it's so cute. And then I also put some a little bit on the straw, so you guys could see that. There's a pom-pom up here, and this is what it looks like. There's like lace here, there's bows on every other one. There's these little gemmies going down the middle. There's some lace at the bottom. And then inside of here, I just have some rosettes, some vellum rosettes rather. So they just look like this. I got some of this style, and then I have another style in there. And then I gifted her a whole bunch of these little, oh, this is the other style right here. These rosettes are so cute. I've been loving vellum rosettes lately, so I made her some of those. And then here are the little bows that I made. And I just used scraps from the Bloom collection. But they turned out so cute, and they each have a little center, a gemmy center. They're so cute, guys. They're the cutest little teeny tiny bows ever. I love them. So that's just what fits in here. How did I fit that in here? I have no idea. Let's try to fit it back. Hold on. This one is going to go down there. All right, you just don't want the straw to kind of get hooked on that. So, all right. So there is the cute little ice cream sundae she's gonna get. I hope she loves it. I love the glittering and everything. And this is the second ice cream sundae I made, because the first one I made for myself, but now I'm like, I really like this one. Oh my gosh, I get so obsessed with everything that I create that's like 3D, and I just want to keep it all, but no, I'm gonna send it to you, Nancy. I made it for you, and you deserve to have it. And this is my way of saying thank you to her for all of the Dollar Tree goodies that she sent me. So she sent me the yarn, she sent me like one of those little trays. So thank you so much for thinking of me when you went to the store, for getting them for me. I really appreciate it. So that is everything, guys. I really hope that Nancy likes everything I made for her. I really hope that this mail just says thank you and I appreciate you. Like, that's what I want it to say. And if mail could talk, I'm really hoping that's what it would say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this outgoing mail video. We were just supposed to send like a couple of little goodies, like something super tiny, but obviously I wanted to say thank you, so I wanted to send a little bit more, and I hope she just likes it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!